In this video, I'm going to show you how to forecast a home purchase in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the Forecast or Invest section, then click Add Events or Customize. This is where you can model major life changes and see how they impact your finances over time. Next, select Buy a Home from the list of events. This will open a setup where you can enter all the important details. Start by inputting the home price, then choose your payment type, whether it's a loan or paying in full. After that, enter your down payment percentage, the year you plan to purchase the home, your mortgage loan term, interest rate, and your region. Make sure everything is as accurate as possible so your forecast reflects a realistic scenario. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save. Origin will automatically update your financial chart so you can see how this home purchase affects your long-term net worth, cash flow, and overall plan. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.